ups first, my partner have the judo gi like this, okay? You know sankaku? The triangle. I want you to do triangle on the leg first. 1, 2, okay? Then you make him like this, okay? Very strong triangle. I want you to hold his gi here, not here. Here, very tight. See here, outside, very tight. And I'm staying very close to him. I'm not here, okay? I'm here, very close. And then nice and easy, my partner is helping me because we're a beginner. Here, you use that leg to give movement, okay? You're not just rolling like this. Is 1, 2. Okay? Oops, I'm showing it again. So, first, sankaku to the leg. Then you need to make him stretch. Here, oops. You see I'm going very deep, right? Here, oops. You grab the gi, okay? Leg, if it doesn't work, you go again, oops, and you come.